Hey there friends, welcome to or back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Donnelle. So today's video is in response to this video here that I had recently posted here on my YouTube channel. And then ever since I have posted that video, I have gotten some requests asking if I would do a video to show actually how I use the Waterpik Waterflosser. So I said, sure, why not? Now, I do have a lot of viewers and subscribers that really seem to enjoy the dental related content that I have here on my YouTube channel. However, I appreciate each and every one of my viewers and subscribers, no matter what video that you guys watch here on my channel. The love and support that I have been given here on my channel is greatly appreciated, more than you guys know. So, with that said, if you guys find that you guys like today's video or find it to be helpful, if you guys could hit that like button, down below, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already but would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button down below as well. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button so that you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video here on my channel. This is the Waterpik Waterflosser that I have. I will have a link in the description box below of where I purchased mine on Amazon. Now, I purchased this specific one because of a few different reasons. One, because of its size. Two, which makes it easy to take with me on the go when I travel. And number three, does not take up a lot of counter space. Number four, no charging required because it runs on 3 AA batteries. And number 5, it's waterproof and I can use it in the shower if I choose to do so. And last but not least, number 6, it also has an orthodontic tip because I do wear braces. However, it does have 2 other basic jet tips that anyone can use. Now, like I just mentioned, this specific model runs on 3 AA batteries. To insert the batteries, you turn the dial on the bottom of the Waterpik Waterflosser to the unlock position, put the batteries in, and turn the dial back to the lock position. Now, as you can see here, this model has a low and a high pressure setting so that you can adjust it to what works best for you and what is most comfortable for you. This specific model comes with 3 different tips that you can use, 2 basic jet tips, and 1 orthodontic tip. The orthodontic tip is great to use for those that have braces. This specific model also comes with a water plug to put into the top of the device to prevent any water spillage if there is any left over inside the reservoir. And it has a bag that has a drawstring closure, making it easy for you to take with you on the go. Now, the first thing I do is fill the reservoir with warm or cool water, whichever is most comfortable for you. The next step is I select the right tip that works for me. Even though I have braces, I always start out with a basic tip that honestly anyone can use. Okay, so now, one thing I would like to make sure that I point out here is remember that as much as you'll want to, don't stare in the mirror while you're using a water flosser. Trust me, I've been there and done that. It does nothing but causes a huge mess. When I did that, I ended up getting water all over the mirror. I had water all over my face. I had water all over the bathroom sink. So, just keep in mind, what you need to remember is just let the water flosser do what it needs to do. And you don't need to see what the water flosser is doing. You need to feel what the water flosser is doing. And what I mean by that is that you just need to feel the water pressure going underneath your gum line as you go across your upper arch and your lower arch. So always remember, don't stare in the mirror when using your water flosser. Just lean over the sink and you will be just fine. The key here is to lean over the sink, leaving your mouth open just a little bit to allow the excess water to drain into the sink. I start out on the low setting first and work my way up to the high setting. Do whatever works best for you. Just remember, it should not sting or hurt on your gums while using it. Now, as you point the tip at a 90-degree angle along your gum line, briefly stop in between each tooth and allow the water to get into where it needs to, and slowly work your way around your upper and lower arches. I usually start in the back and work my way around to the front. Remember, the gums on the back side of your teeth need just as much attention as the gums on the front side of your teeth. The only downside to having this smaller version of the Waterpik Waterflosser is that I do have to stop and fill up the reservoir more often. But either way, it still does the same thing. Once I'm done using the basic tip, because I have braces, I switch over to the orthodontic tip and quickly go over my upper arch and my lower, and this helps to get any debris that might be stuck around the brackets that I did not get the first time.
Okay guys, so that's it. That's all there is to it. And I use my water flosser twice a day prior to string flossing and brushing. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and or find it to be helpful. And if you did, remember, if you guys could hit that like button down below, I would greatly appreciate it. And also, don't forget, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already but would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button down below. And as well, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys can be notified each and every time I upload a new video here to my YouTube channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or a great night, whatever it may be for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.